To slice our model, we'll click on Make and Printers, and then choose our printer. Then click on Build Plate, and we'll choose the second cloud icon with the arrow pointing down. You can see the tooltip says Load Objects from Cloud. So I'll click on that icon, and you can see the ring that we just downloaded. So I'll select that and then click Load. Now I can click on Print Settings, and I can choose from some presets, PLA 0.2 millimeter layer height. I'll stick with the 0.3 millimeter draft. You can change the job name. You can change the amount of infill to these presets, or you can type in a specific number or use the slider to change the infill amount. Similarly with the shells, you can choose from presets or type in a specific number. You have several resolution options. You can add a brim or a raft if you wish, and there are some settings associated with those objects, should you choose to go that route. Support types, and so on. And if you scroll to the top here, you can see that there are additional options under Advanced. So you don't have as many options as you do with FlashPrint, but you do have several options, which are very handy. Now I'm going to click Print, even though I don't want to print my model yet. I want to slice it, but that's how we get the program to slice the model. We'll click Print, and it says my print job has successfully been created and queued to the printer. Now if I want to start the model printing, I would do that, but instead I can scroll down and notice that we're still waiting for the model to slice. If it seems to be hung up, you can try refreshing the page, and we can see that the slicing has been completed. And if I click the three dots, you can view the sliced model, kind of a crude slice preview option. There are more sophisticated slice preview options if you go for the paid version of FlashCloud. Also, in the three dots, you'll notice that you can download the G-code file. So if you wish to download the file and save it to a USB thumb drive and use that method of transferring the sliced model to your printer, you can do that as well. But we're going to stay completely web-based, so we're going to leave the model as is, and we'll print the model.